Hi, it's easy to change the look and feel of the CM questions and answers index page. For example, you can make it look like this or like this. Under the plugin general settings, you'll find the appearance tab. The plugin supports two alternative ways to show the list of all questions: the auto-generated index page that uses the plugin-defined template file, and the shortcode-based index page that will fit into every template your team has to offer. Let's see some examples of what you can achieve from the options. Under the general question page, you can set the index page template, show or hide the page title, change the text below the header, choose the amount of questions per page, or choose the default option for sorting questions, like newest, hottest, votes, and views. Let's see how we can customize the table of questions. Under the table of questions settings, you can show the number of votes, views, and answers to a question, show author and updates information, show label when the question has no answer, show the author box, question information, and change the background color for sticky questions. Don't forget to check in the plugin documentation for even more information and options.